Puffin TV Browser versus TV Bro versus Google Chrome sideloaded. Best browser for Android TV. Using a web browser on Android TV isn't always smooth, but some options work better than others. Let's look at these three to see which one gives the best experience on the big screen. Now, let's start off with Puffin TV Browser. So, Puffin TV is built specifically for Android TV. It's lightweight and loads pages through Puffin's cloud servers, which makes it fast. Pros, designed for TV, remote friendly interface, super fast page loading using cloud servers, and no need to sideload, available on some TV app stores. Now, setbacks, limited free use, so requires a subscription for unlimited access. Some websites may not display properly due to server-based rendering and cannot install browser extensions. Now, this is best for users who want speed and a native TV experience without using a mouse or keyboard. Okay, next we've got TV Bro. So TV Bro is an open source browser made for Android TV with full support for remote navigation and bookmarks. Pros, 100% free and open source, fully remote friendly, no mouse needed, lightweight and easy to use, supports voice search if your remote has a mic. The setbacks, sometimes struggle with complex websites, limited features, no sync or extensions are not available on Google Play, must sideload APK. Now, this is best for users who want a free open source browser made specifically for Android TV. Alright, the last one here is Google Chrome. So this isn't officially supported on Android TV, but you can sideload the APK to use it. It's the full version of Chrome, you know, from mobile and desktop. So pros, full featured browser, syncs with your Google account, supports bookmarks, extensions and tabs, familiar interface and reliable performance. Cons, not remote friendly, hard to use without a mouse or keyboard, UI not optimized for TV screens, and sideloading required, which may be confusing for beginners. Now, this is best for advanced users who want a full browser with good sync features and don't mind connecting a mouse or keyboard. So pick Puffin TV if you want speed and ease of use with your remote and don't mind a subscription, or choose TV Bro if you want a completely free and remote friendly browser made for Android TV, or go for Chrome sideloader if you're tech savvy and want a full desktop style browsing but can use a mouse and keyboard.